everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry guys, we haven't been posting anything for the last 2 weeks. We are busy preparing a floor here. You see we painted half of the garage and it's been taking quite a while, so there's not much to show. The SL panel came off this morning whilst driving. I must still jack up and see the damage. I don't think much damage, so this is just a little short update on what's been happening. So project getting the spare chassis up against the wall. We got a winch and just discovered the cable might not be long enough, so we'll have to probably use an extra strap to add. Well, I don't know, we'll figure it out as we go along. So project getting chassis up against the wall, clearing space so that we can get to the SS, which is on a much modern chassis at the moment. As you guys remember, that chassis over there is the one we need to prepare for here. But looking at the bodywork on the inside, I don't know guys, this floorboard, that's metal. Now I'm under the impression the floorboard should be wood and not metal, but it looks okay. And then we find this little small diff here. If I turn it, that looks forward and that looks forward. So we've got another LSD here. Come guys, some acid, I mean a limited slip diff. Perfect for that rat rod we want to build. I wonder if this diff will handle a V8. So let's get back to that mission. And success. She's hanging on the wall there. A little bit skew, but fuck, who cares? She's hanging. She's out of the way, and hopefully we can now continue with the S. So the suppliers has run out of paint. The floor has come to a halt. Hopefully by the end of the week we'll have some more floor paint and we can continue the floor. So still work in progress. Bumpers off. Petrol covers are off. Wait, too many cars, wait. It's beautiful with those 3 carbs and the silver tappet covers.
Some more, but we're going to make it the driver here now. It's a bit of a fuck up.
And possibly the front handle. So you say you're just going to put a scoop on the bonnet?
No, those two-type levers.
Yeah. Will look interesting.
Yeah, it's still got some.
But the idle's beautiful, man.
See how it goes. Fucking beautiful. The specs is now done everything.
And it's got the limited slip diff, is that's definitely a better diff.
Still not fantastic. Just, oh, this is
What's the brakes not doing?
Well, the booster's not working, Andrews.
Oh shit. And the speedo and everything is working.
Yeah. Fuel gauge is working. That light switch isn't. Oh, okay, they're getting there. Maybe they must just fucking bit in there. It's cold. How's the suspension?
No, beautiful, man.
Fix it,
Can't believe it. It didn't clip when it came open.
Let's try and close it that side now, and then we go check these quick.
I don't know what to say, guys. So, on this modern chassis, we are busy taking out these springs because we don't have any other unless we take out these ones here, and that is not ideal. So let's rather take out these springs. That's why the diff is all loose now. And those springs must go onto that chassis over there. We are still waiting on paint. Another week, I don't know what you want to say, but yeah, still waiting on paint. Merry Christmas, everyone. So for Christmas we are selling these little boxes with our logo on the back, the SS side, and like a sort of image of the top of the car. And then when you open it, we are starting with our merch. Grab your cup, limited stock. This is all laser cut into the wood. It looks very nice. This was a hand drawing by my dad. And there we've got our little logo. Cool, eh? So guys, this box is for sale. There's not many. Description in the all below. These things are also probably gonna go up for sale. Just the light. Don't know which car it belongs to. Some only 3 Daimler wheel nuts. One is lacquer rusted, but it can be cleaned up. And a lot of door handles. I think it's for a Mark II. I'm not sure. And then a hooter knob. And yeah, guys, this engine, it's a 1.5 liter Mark IV engine and gearbox. That might still go up for sale if a price comes. There's 2 diffs here that belongs to some other car and the 1.5 liter. And down there somewhere is the front axle as well. And up here we've sorted out some more stuff. Made couches from the tails of these 2 cars. By the way, the tails, as you've seen in previous videos, they are for sale. We've got 3 left fenders, 3 right fenders, and 3 left and right back fenders for sale. There's the grille for the 1.5 liter. There's the doors for the 1.5 liter. All up for sale, guys. Come on. Here is some Mark II taillights. The one is a little bit broken over there. That one is missing a lens. I don't know. If somebody wants it, shout.
Good morning, Internet. So, if you've been following our videos, we basically populated this space with cars, parts, tools, trying to create a space to start the process of rebuilding this 3.5 liter SS Drophead coupe, pre-World War II, might I add. Alright? So we didn't start out with a lot of order. So what we've done here is we started creating the base from which we will create the order to rebuild this car. Right, so we've been a bit quiet for the past 3 to 4 weeks. You haven't seen us post a video or anything, but we basically didn't have time to shoot videos of this mundane process. So it's basically been shifting these things around to different parts of the workshop at different times, and then waiting for the paint to dry, basically. Right? So this is where we've ended up. That section over there is busy. It's 3 to 4 days into the drying process, and this one is actually still wet. I just completed putting it under the final coat. So I thought, while I'm watching the paint dry, I can just create a little update, seeing that we've been so quiet. So what we've also done was all these parts related to this build, and then some extra ones too, I've basically cleaned them up. Remember, these cars, the parts, they were all in storage for over 40 years, and before going into storage they were used, so they collected a lot of road grime, etc., etc., and we needed to just start getting them clean, basically. So there we have the 1.5 liter engine and gearbox, somewhat cleaner than what they previously were. We've got the front and rear axles, that's also been cleaned. Let me just go in a bit closer and you'll see some of that road grime of around about World War II's time. That stuff don't want to let go. So the high pressure washer is not high pressure enough. Here's the mighty 3.5 liter SS engine in all its glory. It has now also gone through a bit of high pressure washing. As you can see, I did not do a perfect job. I missed quite a significant spot there. Nonetheless, it still looks way better than when it first arrived in Cape Town. So yeah, I guess this is the base from which we will start to create the order. To rebuild this 3.5 liter SS Drophead coupe. ciao for now.
So guys, thank you very, very much for watching our show. I hope you enjoyed it. I would really like it if you can click on the like button and smash the subscribe button, and if anybody wants to sponsor a video, that would be great. But just keep watching, guys. Enjoy the sunset. We would like to say thank you to our current only sponsor, a company called Visa Expert. Now they currently a small company helping South African citizens go overseas. They are in the process of expanding. They are going international. They have big plans. Watch their space. Check the link below. We're driving the Bucky. It's got a cock sound. I hope you guys don't mind. But there we can see nice, beautiful Table Mountain with a lovely sunset behind it. Again, like, subscribe, 2 clicks, click, 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 done. Oh, we're behind a truck.